So just a quick video to talk about how to run coupons on your eBay store. So first things first, the reason I run coupons in the store is simply because I find it attracts buyers. When buyers see you are running a promotion or coupon, it triggers them to think about making a purchase when maybe they would hold off for a little bit longer. So to run a coupon within the eBay store, it's very simple. All you need to do first of all, at the top of your page, if you click on the sell section, it will bring you onto your seller hub. So all you need to do from there is click on marketing, and that will bring you into the page where you can run all your promotions, markdown sales, etc. But to launch a coupon, you click on the create a coupon icon and it will take you onto the coupons page itself. Now from the coupons page, all you need to do on the right hand side here is click on create a promotion, and it's going to give you the option of order discount, multi-buy coupon, or sale element and markdown. For today we're going to be doing coupon, and I want to run through how easy it is to run a coupon. As I mentioned, I do this quite regularly within the store, so it's pretty simple to do. First things first, you need to create a coupon code, and this is going to be completely unique to yourself. You have 15 letters you can use for the coupon code, so keep it quite simple. People will have to type this in. Most of the time eBay will copy it in. So for this one, I was going to do bold find 10 off August, but didn't have space. So bold find 10 off will do, and that's only 13 characters. The offer name is just something for you to be able to manage and keep track of your promotions. So for this, I'm just going to call it test promo, just so we've got an idea of exactly what we're doing. So private or public coupon. Now this is really interesting because what you can do is create a private coupon, which you can then send out to your customers. So what I've done recently is got some business cards printed off, and I've been putting them in the parcels with the private coupons, so you can keep track of that. But for today, we're going to select public coupon. And then you come down to the discounts used. And so for today's promotion, we're going to be using the 10% off, but there is so many different options. So this one here is buy free, and you can do get 10% off. So the customer has to buy 3 items to first of all get the discount. The next one is they get £10 off if they spend over £50. But as you can see, there's lots of different options for you to choose from. So this one here is buy one, get two at 20% off. You can do the classic buy one, get one free. And you can do 20% off £50. And you can change all of this to make it perfect for what you are looking for. So the coupon list is endless, really, and you can be as creative as you want it to be. I know some people run a lot of coupons where they have to spend a certain amount before they get the discount, but I like running a straight flat percentage off. It keeps it nice and simple for people. The next section on the coupon part is the usage limits, and this is where you can control how much savings maximum your customers can have. So for this example, I'm going to put the maximum saving of 100, and what you can also do is set the redemptions per buyer. So you can have it unlimited, but for this example, we're going to make it 1. So they can only use this coupon code once, and then it's not valid for them further on. Now, the next part is to set a budget. Now, as you can see, when I typed in £60 here, the budget value must be between 100 and a million. So I normally leave this budget at 100, or I remove it completely. So in this instance, we're going to remove it completely, so there's no budget set there. The next section is the items that you want to go into your sale. Now, most of the time I run a sale across the whole store and leave it as all inventory. But the good thing about this part is you can actually select the items you do want to go into the sale, whether that be individual items, or in this case, what I'm doing is selecting certain categories that are going to be included in the sale. As you can see, if I select the sound and vision category, only 14 items are going to go into that sale. So in this instance here, we're going to select some more categories. So we're going to leave books out of this one, but we've done toys and games, collectibles, sporting goods, and sound and vision. So as you can see, more items are in there, and I will show you afterwards how you can keep a track on all the items that are going to be in the sale. The other option, if you do run shop categories yourself, I don't, you can select from your shop categories. And as I mentioned before, you can select specific one-off items if you wanted to do so. But we are going to go back to the categories I have selected there. So as you can see, 4 categories selected, and they're going to be running in the sale. The next section we're going to move on down to is adding description and a photo. So this is how your customer is going to see the description of your sale. So in this instance, I'm going to do save 10% off selected store items in August. So going to keep it nice and simple for people. And the next part's quite cool because it's asking you to select a photo for your sale. Now, you can select any store photo you have, but in this instance, I'm going to use the thumbnail photo I'm using for this YouTube video. So you won't be able to see this part of the screen, but you'll see it load in here. There we go. So the thumbnail photo is now loaded in for the sale. So you can be quite creative on that if you wanted to be so. The next part is going to be the duration. So you can decide when your coupon is going to start and when it is going to end. So for this example, we're going to run the coupon from Monday and we're going to do it from 12 AM on Monday. And we're going to end the coupon a week later. So we're going to end the coupon, as you can see, on the 22nd. And we're going to end that coupon, if I select the time, at 11:30 at night. So it's just over a week the item's going to be on sale. Now you can have the coupons running consecutively. You can have them running for the whole year. I think eBay allows you to do up to 2 years, but I like to run them month for month, freshen it up as well. And sometimes I'll even run a more aggressive coupon within the store if I want to increase sales. So the coupon summary is in the top right. You click on the launch coupon, and that coupon is all ready to go. So as you can see in the list there, we've got it as scheduled because it doesn't start until Monday. But if you click edit, you can also make changes. So if there's more categories you want to add, if you've made a slight mistake, you can go back. And if we scroll down here and click on the 10% off, it will show you all the items in the store that are going to be running through on that sale. So again, you might come to that and feel like, do you know what, I've got a certain item in the store I don't want to be in the sale, and you can go back and edit that one out and stuff as well. But down the left hand side, it shows you all the categories and why they've included them in the sale. So there we are, guys, just a quick overview. The right hand side part will actually show you more stats once a sale is live, so promotion sales and promotional sales rate, but they're not always accurate, so don't worry too much about them. But display priority is very important. So you want to be having your sale running normally as the first priority if you want customers to see that as soon as they click on your item. As you can see, I've got other sales running here first and second. It's because I'm running a sale on my books at the moment. So I've got them showing as number one if you click on a book, and the number two priority will be on every other item. So that's why I've got it set up. The final option here is how you can edit, delete, pause and copy. Now the copy function is quite new, so it's quite handy if you was to say get to the 22nd and want to run that coupon again. All you need to do is click copy. It will take everything back into there and it will run it for you. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick overview of how to set up a coupon. Simply click on marketing and promotions and you'll be able to pull up all your coupons from there. Hope it helps, guys. Thanks for watching.